Hi guys, this video is gonna be actually short, and basically what I'm gonna be talking about this video is return statements in functions in Python. So let's begin. So return is what actually return does is it stores the answer so we can use it later in our program. Well, how do we store that answer in variable? That's where we will need a return statement. In this video, we're actually gonna make a function that is gonna convert from the temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Alright, so let me just grab the formula for the conversion. This is the formula, and let's do it. Okay, so first, let's define our function name. It would be Fahrenheit. I think that's how you spell it. And we will take Celsius as a parameter because we will convert this parameter into Fahrenheit. Alright, why is this typo? Yeah, I maybe not spelling right, but anyway, who cares? And here we will just return the formula. So return the Celsius multiplied by 9 divided by 5 plus 32. So that's our formula. Alright, so now let's just first call our function, which is this, and let's pass how many Celsius? Well, let's say 30. And now if we run it, you actually see that nothing happens. Why is it not running? Oh yeah, you can see nothing is actually happening. But now let's store that answer in a variable, and let's call that variable variable 1. Who cares? And now let's print the temp is plus converted to string because this will be a float. The answer will be float plus Fahrenheit. Now let's run that and see the result. The temp is 86.0 Fahrenheit. Alright, so basically what return does is it allows us to store the result or the answer of a function into a variable, and then whenever we reference that variable, we actually reference the result in a function. So yeah, that's why in the beginning of the video I said that return stores the answer so we can use it later in our program. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you on the next video.